Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you the day's schedule of events for Thursday, March 24th. Well, the day starts with UK retail sales for February at 9:30 GMT. This is a volatile series and there's likely to be some mean reversion. Moreover, slowing growth in real earnings and the collapse in consumer confidence suggest that sales growth is likely to slow. The risk of Brexit may weigh on spending as well. Today's data could prove negative for sterling. The talkative St. Louis Fed President James Bullard speaks again at 12:15 GMT, his third speech this week. He's unlikely to say anything he didn't say in his previous two speeches, so I don't expect any fireworks. U.S. durable goods orders for February at 12:30 GMT are also expected to show some payback after January's good data. The headline number is likely to be particularly weak as Boeing only reported 2 airplane orders during the month. The key number, non-defense capital goods ex-aircraft, the main indicator for equipment investment, has been trending flat to lower for well over a year now. All the indications are that this month will be soft too. Because this indicator has been weak for so long that further weakness probably won't affect the dollar that much. It could be slightly dollar negative. The market service sector and composite purchasing managers indices for the U.S. at 13:45 GMT are next on the schedule. The market U.S. manufacturing PMI showed little change from the previous month, in contrast to the regional Fed manufacturing indices, which jumped. The U.S. service sector PMI is expected to recover back above the 50 boom or bust line, which would be encouraging and positive for the dollar. Nonetheless, because of the divergence between market and the Fed manufacturing indices, the big day will be the 1st of April, when the more widely watched Institute of Supply Managers ISM manufacturing PMI comes out, along with the final market manufacturing PMI. We also get non-farm payrolls and Japan's Tankan that day too. Get ready for some volatility. Speaking of Japan, Japan's inflation data will be released at 12:30 GMT Thursday night or Friday morning during the Japanese day. The market will probably pay particular attention to the new core CPI, which comes out a few hours later. That index excludes fresh foods, energy, and the impact of any tax hikes. In any event, none of the measures is expected to show a significant acceleration in inflation. In fact, the Tokyo CPI for March is expected to fall back into deflation. So they shouldn't do anything to alter market expectations of further Bank of Japan action later this year, if there's anything left that the Bank of Japan can do. That could be negative for the yen. Now, since Friday is a holiday in many countries, including here in Cyprus, we won't have a comment out, so I'll mention the one important indicator out on Friday, the third estimate of U.S. fourth quarter GDP. Now, given that it's the third estimate and we're almost finished with the following quarter, I don't think it'll have much impact unless it's greatly revised. The previous figure that you'll see is the second estimate, which serves as the market estimates. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.